disturbance. Okay, I'm just going to take it up. Yeah.
It is not as it was before. A lot of things are missing, but thanks to our government, transitional government, and the Somali federal government, we are striving to resume all operations which are required to be established. So now we are in the middle. I can't say we are the lower, but are in the middle.
We decided to come to the capital, and we want to connect the country from Mogadishu to all the other professional capitals in Somalia, because we see that there is a great need. We want to serve children, mothers, old people, sick people who cannot travel. I emphasize, who cannot travel with the rough roads between here and Beledweyne, between here and Galkayo, between Mogadishu and Kismayo.
We request the international ICAO civil aviation to come and see what is going here in order to lift the ban, because the airport is closed from their side due to civil conflict. This time, no more civil conflict. Airport is operating. Everybody can come and witness what is going here.